Children are innocent. We are made in God's image. Thou shalt not kill. There is a Bill of Rights, the right to life, human rights. Mothers give birth to these young, innocent boys. When they die in the mountains, mothers are expected to keep quiet. In South Africa, we witness the blood that continues to spill with no end in sight. Before and since the dawn of democracy, the young boys continue to die in the mountains. Others are kidnapped. Others are victims of flight by night. But at the end of the day, its blood is a human soul made in God's image. It's difficult to understand. There is no end in sight. Whilst other families celebrate the return of their loved ones, the young ones, other families are actually mourning and burying their loved ones. What a sad contrast. One death is death too many. There is no end in sight. We are told it's very painful, childbirth. But these very same mothers who carry these young boys until birth, they're expected to keep quiet. It's painful. These are future leaders, future citizens. But when they pass on, their beloved mothers must keep quiet in the name of culture. How long and how many more must die as they continue to die?